Hello, this is Funny Happy Granny, enjoying nature today. This is such a beautiful day. This is winter in Miami, and look what a beautiful day. You look around and you see all the birds, and you see the grass so beautiful, and the plants and the trees. Everything is so beautiful around here, the river. But I want to show you something very important today. From the fresh water, you can find these beautiful apple snails. They are very rare, but they are in the river, in the canals, and we find it all the time. They have a protection because they don't want like those white birds that we have in back of you to eat them. They will go with the pig and plan, remove the top and get the meat from inside, and they will eat it. Every morning I get up and I found 10, 12, 15 of them because they dive, they bring it out, and they will eat the meat inside and leave the shell with me. I'm collecting the shells because I think they are beautiful. We have little ones, big ones, yellow, white, all colors. They are beautiful. They are called apple snail, and they are original from South America, but somehow right now we have it in Broward, Monroe County, and here in Miami-Dade County. They are popular here. This is a source for the white little birds to eat, and also the dogs eat from them as well. Nature is something that we always have to take care, because if we don't take care, soon the beautiful things will disappear. So I want you to be with Funny Happy Granny and always conserve and make sure that we take care of our nature so we can have a beautiful world. From Miami, Florida, Funny Happy Granny. Love you. Follow me. See you soon. I love you.